So here we go. This is the med pack that I use in my bag every day. I'm gonna turn that down just so it'll be a little bit easier for y'all to hear me. These are just simple things. First thing I have in here is hand sanitizer. Second thing is triple antibiotics. There are some things in here that are a little bit weird, but I will explain them. Some toe warmers and hot hands, because you never know when you're going to need a little bit extra warmth. Here is some Kleenex. It's open. So I've used this pack before. Next thing I have are lidocaine patches, because I have hip and back pain. So this is something that I'm going to want to have on me. If things really start to act up, I slap one of these on. I mean, I wear them one about every day, but sometimes they don't do any good. Here is a cleansing towel. I think it's an alcohol cleansing towel. You might be able to see it there. But if I have a really bad boo-boo, use that and this, clean it off. And this is like just because I carry every day. Of course, Pandora throws an ad in, and there's a loud truck in the background. There's some lip balm, some chapstick. You can use this for multiple things. Next in here, I have a little bit of medication. I just carry always in any medical pack, or pretty much any pack I carry, I'm gonna have some kind of a medication on me. You know, this is just something I have to live with now, and it's probably gonna get worse as my life progresses. I went to the doctor the other day, and he prescribed me about 7 different medications that I need to take every day. And it's what I need to do, but I'm not used to taking pills like that every day, not out of necessity. But I'm trying to get the help that I need, and it's frustrating, but you just got to be patient, and eventually someone will get you the help you need. This is the last thing I have in here is which, like I said, it's going to be kind of weird. It's a tampon, or it's a pad, and these things are made to absorb blood. And on it, I have wrapped around it's like a book bag strap, and I have a safety pin in it. So if something were majorly traumatic that happened during the day, or just wherever I might be, not even for myself, but someone else, this could save someone's life, you know. And this is little small things that I carry every day, because I never know how big of an accident's going to happen. I don't carry like a tourniquet or anything like that, because I'm not trained to use one. But I can use that to stop bleeding. Like if I'm on a camping hike or something like that, if I get to go on one again, and like somebody falls and gets punched in the leg with a stick or gets stabbed, you know, I have the ability to clean out the wound and to stop the bleeding. This pack is what I carry every day. The other packs I have are I don't want to say hardcore, but they are much more capable. They're able to handle a lot more things than this little pack is. This is the one that I carry in my book bag every day. This one is what I have in my tool belt. And I just put this one in there. Like I said, I had to do some modifications on things. But this is what I keep in my tool belt. So right off the bat, just hot hands and hot toes. These are just gauze. Several band-aids. And so you probably might be wondering, why did I don't have band-aids and gauze in that pack? Well, I have band-aids in my everyday carry tin, so that's a redundancy that I should have, but if I have to use that pack in that kind of way chances are things are going to be really bad, and Band-Aids aren't going to help a damn thing. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what it is. I have anti-diarrhea pills. There's some Benadryl, allergy medicine, Gauze wrap. This one has more allergy medicine night and daytime. Alcohol swabs. I got a bunch of those alcohol swabs. Tweezers. Get you some tweezers. Very, very good thing to have. And like I said, this is my scout pack. So like if I'm out there in the woods and I'm just looking around trying to figure out, get its resources, if I'm not wearing gloves and I hit something, I might get a splinter or something might scrape on my arm. Tweezers to get that splinter out. And then I have, the triple antibiotic ointment to take care of anything like that, because you don't want infections. I have sanitizer to clean it out first. More anti-diarrhea and sinus medicine, because that's really important. If I'm going to be out there in the woods exploring and checking out new places, I'm going to be exposed to like pollen, be knocking stuff over. I'm going to be breathing it in. It's going to get in my eyes, and if it's a really necessary situation, I want to make sure I'm able to traverse without having those extra issues. And the last thing I have in here, wait. More anti-poop pills. Because if I have to drink water and like boil it, if I don't boil it all the way, or if whatever I'm eating, if I find something, like if I kill a squirrel and I have to eat it, or a rabbit, or whatever, and I'm not used to that gamey kind of meat, most people aren't, but if you take it and you get some adverse affection or effects in your stomach, you don't want to have the runs. You're going to want to have anti-diarrhea. And I have nausea medicine now too that I need to put in all these bags. Some of them, the next ones I have 4 bags after this, but the next ones, they have things that can help with nausea. And the last thing I have in here is cotton balls infused in petroleum jelly, and that goes in hand with like your gauze wrap. If you get like some kind of a bleed, like a puncture, you can stop it with that and then just tape it up. It's not the most effective thing, but like I said, I don't know how to use a tourniquet or anything like that. I don't have one for that purpose, because I don't know how to use one properly. And with a tourniquet, you can end up causing more harm to somebody than you can doing them good if you don't know how to use it properly. So that's one of my things. Only carry what you know how to use. I mean, try to be a little creative and have your redundancy in there, but you definitely don't want to try to help somebody and then end up making their injury worse, because then you could end up, they can end up dying, and it's on you. Okay, back again. These are the last 2 packs I have. These are the ones that I keep for backup, and I keep these in my storage underneath my bed. And I forgot to put something up. That one goes in there. Okay. So, open this one up right off the top. Hand sanitizer. There's a little, airplane bottle of body lotion. Here, I'm pretty sure I have a good bit of medicine. Yep. I have a couple of cough drops on top. Here's a whole plethora. This is all antihistamine, like Tylenol, Advil, and stuff like that. And I see there's some Benadryl in there as well. These are liquid gel Advils. I mean, this is the good stuff. So there's a whole nother pack of that right here. Liquid gel Advil. That stuff really, it'll knock out a lot of the pain if it's minor. This right here is more amoxicillin. This is eat with food, 875 milligrams, but you gotta eat with the food. It also expired July 10th, 2023, but these pills still look good. I have oxygen absorber in here and cotton balls. This is nausea medication. So like if you, because I've experienced this a lot, and like I need to put some, I got some more recently because I was having similar problems, and I ended up throwing up blood and going to the hospital. I was really in a bad spot there. My hand had swollen up. I still, my toe, something's wrong with my right foot. But yeah, I need to put that nausea medicine in my other packs. And then, oh, there's one more cough drop. But yeah, having nausea, I need anti-diarrhea medicine in here. It might be in a separate spot in this pack. In fact, yeah, there it is. I see it. But this pack right here, this was originally like a Band-Aid pack. But I thought it was good to keep medicine in. I mean, if you need to take something that's that urgent, it's going to be right there. I see a fly. Got it. Ugh. That's an everyday part of van life. This is the anti-diarrhea medication here. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this content. Like, I just like to go through what I have in my packs to give you guys better ideas. Please like the video, subscribe. It really helps the algorithm out. I'm not that good at editing yet, but I'm trying my best here. And I just hope you guys enjoy it. I'm expressing what my life is like. Right now, there's some Benadryl, more Benadryl for allergies, more allergy medicine, a bunch of hot hands and toe warmers, more icy hot, and the last thing in there is lidocaine patches. And like I said, this is just one half of my med kit. I mean, as I get older, I'm realizing that I'm starting to need more and more things that are medical, and it's rough getting old. I mean, take care of yourself. Do the best you can, and just take care of yourself. It's rough. It's hard to do, but just do your best. That's what I'm trying to do right now. So that's one half of that pack. The other half is, yeah, it's this one. Okay, yeah, that's my belt. Okay, yeah. This is the other half of that pack. And like I said, that pack right there I just showed you is what I keep backed up if I need to, like, to make a cache somewhere. I'm gonna take this and put it in the cache and, you know, place it somewhere. But the other side of this one is there's a paper towel, and inside of it is some tweezers. Just good to have. Just good to have. This right here is, I don't know. Oh, those are gloves. These are gloves and alcohol prep pads. They're in a bag, so I mean they're not. They haven't been touched but more than once. But there's alcohol prep pads in there to clean them off once you put them on. Once again, triple antibiotic ointment. This is 91% alcohol spray. This is like your rubbing alcohol. This is the highest concentration of rubbing alcohol. It's gonna burn like a mother lover. But I also have sanitizer, of course. And here it's all Band-Aids. There's a bunch of different sizes. I have like small ones like that, and then I have some larger ones like these. I just keep all those in there because that's what it's made for. It's made to keep Band-Aids in. I think I got that at Dollar General. Next up is there's an assortment of, these are all gauze pads, and it's gauze, alcohol wipes. And I don't know why I don't have this one in this case anymore. I need to switch it out too, because it's starting to get brown on that side. But that's gauze bandage. I'm pretty sure it'll still be fine. That's just moisture, probably from the alcohol leaking in here inside the bag. These are dry cotton balls. These are dry cotton balls because if there's bleeding really bad, you want to absorb the blood and have something to clot on it, and then you also want to have something that stops it. So these are more Vaseline balls infused with Vaseline. Yeah, I would clean the wound off, put these on first, put these on top of it, wrap it up real well, and I mean just hope that everything's going good. I mean, you got sanitizer and your antibiotic ointment. Here's some more tissues, just in case whatever happens is bleeding that bad, or if you just need to, blow your nose, or just dig in there. The last thing I have in here is these are just paper towels. Just paper towels. Just put into a little bag, and then yeah, that's something good. Q-tips or ear twigs, whatever you want to call them. I like ear twig. It sounds better, but those can be good for just dabbing the ointment onto a really small place. Because like if your hands are really dirty and you don't have a way to wash them.
At Mint Mobile, we like to do the opposite of what Big Wireless does. They charge you a lot. They charge you a lot.
Ryan Reynolds, Deadpool. That movie looks really good. I wish I had the money to go see it. If you guys can go see it, let me know how it is in the comments. I like Deadpool more than Wolverine, anyways. But yeah, but cotton swabs, if you need to like just patch up a small cut, but your other hand is dirty. Like, this is all emergency stuff. Like, there's no telling. You might actually need to use them to clean your ears. And I mean, hopefully you have a hygiene kit as well. That might be another one I have to do. A little basic hygiene kit, because I think that's a thing that people underlook. I mean, it's a good thing to have. But anyway, I believe that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. You guys let me know what else you want to see. Shout out, I have it written down here. Shout out to Voidum_10. Gave me the best idea for a really good video. Voidum, I hope you're watching this. I'm going to do, I don't know if I should do a poll, or I'm just going to like do a live stream of me cooking and eating. I'm going to I might do a 3-part live stream where I wake up and just go live and show you guys how I make breakfast, and then go live and show you guys how I try to do my lunch, and then go live. If I have enough light, if I can light it up enough, go live again and show you how I do dinner. And just go through some of the food items I have that are easy to prepare when you're living in a van. I mean, it's not like, it can be difficult to cook in a van, especially if you don't know how to cook. I know how to cook, but I'm not used to cooking what I want to at this scale, because I like to make things that are good and hearty, and it's hard to make a good hearty meal in a small proportion. So a lot of times I find myself eating canned noodles and beanie weenies and ramen soups and stuff like that, which are not good for you. I like healthy food. I haven't had any fresh vegetables in a while. I'm craving broccoli. I don't know, I have weird cravings for things, but I would love some broccoli. It even got no cheese on it. But yeah, tell me guys, tell me what you want to see. I don't know if I needed to do a whole nother tour of the van, because a lot of things have changed, but it's not really been that big of a deal. But you guys give me the feedback. I'm all ears, and I care about the opinions and the perspectives that other people see, and especially if it helps me. So you guys just let me know what you want to see. It's Wandering Ron, and I'm out. Okay, so next I have my 2 packs that I carry in my bug out bag, and both of these packs are there's a lot in them. You're going to probably see a lot of the same things, but there are some things in these packs that are vital for being in, crazy situations. So I'm going to start off with this one first. This is the one hand of the medication and just good things to have, right on top. Gloves. I think those are nitrile. There's not latex. Some might be allergic to latex. I'm not allergic to either one, but I have that. Here is gauze wrap, and it's still in this container, so I know it's good. If I had to use those gloves in a really nasty situation, I would, put them on. I would sanitize my hands first, clean them as best I could, put those gloves on, and then sanitize the outside of them too, because like I handled them, and that one just fell on the floor. So I got 2 pair there. Great thing to have. This right here is Tylenol, and it also has amoxicillin in it. Amoxicillin is a great antibiotic, and it's got plenty of these Tylenol capsules in there. There's the amoxicillin. You can tell it's a big ass horse pill. There's like 5 or 6, or there's enough to get me through some kind of minor infection. And if I'm in that kind of situation, you're gonna need Tylenol too. Next is it's ace bandage. So if you have a sprain or makeshift sling, or you could knee brace, shoulder pain, just wrap that up and it'll help. This is a severe cold and flu powder. You can mix this in with some water and you're good. And I know for that, I like to take cough drops. I like to take the cough drops and put these in the water and then add medicine like this into it, and it just makes it so better. Like you can just you're able to breathe. It's good, so good. And then there's some emergency. I know you guys have seen these before, emergency. And let me show you the severe cold and flu. Yeah, but these things right there, I mean, that'll knock the cold out. And I've showed these. These were in my last couple of packs. These are the allergy medicine. This is like the Dayquil, night and day. I think the orange is day, green is night. More cough drops. And this pill bottle is more allergy medicine, because I don't know about y'all, but my nose gets stopped up, my eyes start itching and watering. And this right here has, I have multivitamins and Benadryl. And the allergy medicine, yeah, I got 3 things in here. So not only I have more Benadryl, I'm on top of my allergies and multivitamins. I'm gonna use one of those. You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to steal from your pack. Damn, that fell on the floor. It'll be alright. You're not supposed to steal from your bug out bags, but I probably could use that now. Here is a little piece of paper that is some kind of anxiety medication. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's some kind of medication for anxiety. Another cough drop. This is more allergy medicine. Okay, yeah. I think that one makes me drowsy. I've only taken that one a few times, and I'm not sure. I should have labeled this one because I'm not 100% sure what this is. But I'm pretty sure it's for allergies as well. Anti-diarrhea. I don't have as many anti-diarrhea pills in this one because shit happens, and I probably might need that on a daily kind of a thing, like an emergency, on a more frequent occasion. If that happened, I would be in pain or suffering or whatever, but I can maneuver it. If I'm having to use this pack of medicine and I've already burned through what I have there, and I'm having to use this, I mean, having the runs and accidentally pooping myself is probably gonna be the least of my worries, and the least of y'all's as well. Here's another medication. I have muscle relaxers, and this is another antibiotic. It's Bactrim. So Bactrim is similar to amoxicillin. This one's more for external infections, like if you're touching something nasty or you're just really getting dirty and then you get like a skin infection, you want to use Bactrim. Amoxicillin is better for like an internal bacterial infection or something like that. There's not much you can do to prevent against viruses, I mean, you can take your multivitamins and, you know, be all scared and stuff like that, but I mean, if you get it, you get it. I'm not trying to, you know, down vaccinations and stuff like that, but there's only so much you can do to stop, to prevent, you know, illness and stuff like that. But I mean, the best thing to do is to be prepared. I mean, I'd rather have these things and not need them than need them and not have them, you know. These are things that, I mean, I've had to use these. I've been in positions where things like this have come in, you know, a great deal of handy. They've, you know, helped me, you know, live and save my life. The next part of this kit, because this is one part that's in my bug out bag. This is just the medication side, and, you know, I just showed you everything in this one. This one is also in my bug out bag. This one is your more basic ouchie boo boo kind of a thing. And like I said, they go together. And I'm so up on being healthy and like emergencies, or just because you never know what's going to happen. I've been in so many bad situations and I didn't have the things that I needed to take care of myself. So now I just see everything as an opportunity to acquire more things, mostly knowledge and skills, to better prepare myself. So right here is it's just a book strap. It's got the adjustable thing on it. So I mean, this could be a sling. Like if you hurt your arm, you need a sling. This makes a pretty good damn sling. If you have a bad wound, it can be tightened down and cinched and wrapped up to stop bleeding. So, and this is just a book bag strap. So, I mean, you be creative, but also make sure what you have can work. I mean, God, I hope I never have to use this. A notification. UFC. Okay. What? Oh, no. Shoot. So, this is another reason why you want to check your bags to make sure nothing's coming undone. That's medical tape that just got unwound. But yeah, that's like medical gauze tape. So like, if you had if you were bleeding, you could take some of your cotton balls infused with petroleum jelly, put that on your wound after you clean the surface, put that on, wrap it in your gauze, and then put your sling on if it's that bad. In this pack here, this is all gauze, band-aids. I got like paper towels. Just this is all blood absorbing, I would say. One thing I want to get that I haven't used before is clotting factor. I don't know much about that. I've seen a few other people carry that in their IFAKs. I want to get some and just see how it works. I'm not saying I'm gonna just put it on, but I want to see how the clotting factor works. Here also, poison ivy cream. It's almost gone. I need to get more of that because I caught that and it was bad. Triple antibiotic ointment. I stand behind that. Sanitizer. If you got pains and aches, icy hot. 2 candles and a lighter. And this one works too. The reason I have those in my med pack is so that I can sanitize things like tweezers. Like if I'm having to dig something out and it starts bleeding, I want to be able to clean this off very well, so I sanitize it. This is sanitizing spray. Still got it. This is mainly just a backup, but a spray sometimes can be a better way to push the debris out than having to drip it on there and rub it out. A spray can be much more effective. And then hot hands, or these are the toe warmers. I found a really good deal at Walmart for the toe warmers. You might find them in the clearance section next to the camping, between the camping and the gun department. It depends on what kind of Walmart you're at and how the layout is. But check there. And last thing I have in this one is lidocaine patches. So I'm gonna put all this up, and then I have 2 more packs that were very similar to what I just showed you. This is what I just showed you. These 2 packs are the ones that I keep in my bug out bag. I'll be right back, and I'll show you what I keep on backup.